Hello, P4 students. Welcome again to this another video of our Math 4 lesson. We are still on Chapter 9, Multiplication and Division. In this video, we will continue for Lesson 4, Know all timetables from 1 to 10. Lesson 5, Multiply up to 1,000 by one-digit numbers. And Lesson 6, Divide numbers up to 100 by one-digit numbers. Okay, P4, are you ready to learn these new topics? Come on, let's get started. Let's start with lesson D, know all times tables from 1 to 10. So look at the picture. What do you notice about the numbers? How are the 4 and 8 times table related? What have you observed? There are some numbers that have the same answers or product, right? Okay, so during our class, we will discuss more about the timetables of 4 and 8 and also 2. They are related to each other. Okay, look at this one. I have here 3 times table, 6 times tables, and 9 times table. Can you see any similarities? Or can you see some doubles on the answer? So what double do you see in the picture? Are there doubles in times table for 3, 6, and 9? So okay, children, you can share your answers during our class. I have here a 7 times table. Anna makes some identical bracelets. She uses 7 beads for each bracelet. Take a look. So if only one bracelet, so there are only 7. So 7 times 1. If she has 2 bracelets, so she will double the 7. So 7 times 2. If she has 3 bracelets, so she will make it thrice. So she will multiply the 7 times 3. So she got 21. And until she got the 10 bracelet, so she has 7 times 10, and that is 70. So this is the 7 times table. We will count on by 7s. So we have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, and 70. We can still continue. If we have 7 times 11, that is 77. Okay, so how many beads does Anna need for three bracelets? So since one bracelet has 7 beads, so 3 times 7 is 21. So she needs 21 beads. I have here another timetables. So we will study multiples of 2, 4, and 8 as what I discussed earlier. Take a look. We have 2 times table, we have 4 times table, and 8 times table. What are the numbers that we double? So when we multiply a number by 2, it means, children, that we double it. Remember that. So 2 times 3 means we double the 3, we get 6. If we double 5, it means we double. If we multiply 5 by 2, it means we double the 5, so it gives us 10. So we got 2 times 3 equals 6, and 2 times 5 equals 10. Another, we have multiplying a number by 4 and 8. When we multiply a number by 4, we double it twice, like this. 4 times 3. So our 4 here is equal to 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 means the 2 times 3 first here, we got 6. So therefore, 2 times 6 equals 12. Okay. Another, when we multiply a number by 8, we double it 3 times or thrice. So we have our 8 here. 8 is equal to 2 times 4. Means the 8 here, we got 3 2's. Then we multiply this one first. 2 times 3, we got 6. So 2. Then 2 times 6 is 12. And 12 times 2 equals 24. So remember, children, if we multiply a number by 4, we double it 2 times. when we multiply a number by 8, we double it 3 times. Next, let's study about multiples of 3, 6, and 9. Look at the pattern for the 3 times table, 6 times table, and 9 times table. When we multiply a number by 6, we multiply it by 3 and then double it. So when we say 6 times 4 means 2 times 3 times 4. So we multiply first the 4 by 3. After that, we double it. So that is 12. When we multiply a number by 9, we multiply it by 3 first, then we multiply again by 3. So if we have 9 times 4, so we multiply first the 4 by 3, we get 12. Then we multiply 12 again by 3, we get 36. Okay, children? Another, let's have lesson E, multiply up to 1,000 by one-digit number. There are 12 packs of apples. Each pack contains 3 apples. So how many apples are there altogether? How are we going to calculate this? You can calculate this by adding the 12 packs of apples 3 times, or when we apply multiplication, we just simply multiply 12 times 3. Okay. Each pack, what if children that if each pack has 4 apples? How many apples do you think there would be in 200 packs? So if you know the answer, share it during our class. I have here a problem. A baker makes 20 cream puffs in 1 hour. How many cream puffs does the baker make in 3 hours? So let's simply multiply 3 times 20. 20 means 2 tenths. So 2 tenths times 3 is 6 tenths. Therefore, this is 60. So the baker makes 60 cream puffs in 3 hours. How about if you will multiply 200 times 3? What is the answer? So it means 3 times 200, right? The 200 is 200 multiplied by 3 is 600. Therefore, there are 600 cream puffs. Okay, I have another problem. How many cupcakes are sold? A bakery sells cupcakes in boxes of 3. It sells 275 boxes of cupcakes. How many cupcakes does the bakery sell in all? Okay, 275 multiplied by 3. 275 is closer to 300. So if we multiply 300 times 3, that is 900. So our answer is close to 900. So if we multiply 275 times 3, we will multiply and regroup the ones. It means 5 ones times 3 is 15 ones. We regroup the 110. We only put 5 here. That is step 1. Step 2, we regroup or multiply the tens. So we have 7 tenths multiplied by 3, that is 21 tenths. We add 1 on the top, the 1 tenth, so we have 22 tenths. 22 tenths is equal to 2 hundreds and 2 tenths. So we put only the 2 tenths here, we regroup the 2 hundreds. And the next step is we multiply the hundreds and these 3. So multiply and add. Always forget, children, that we will add this one, the numbers on the top. So 200s multiplied by 3 is 600s, and we have another 200s on the top, right? Because we regrouped earlier. So how many hundreds altogether? We have 800s. Therefore, our final answer is 825. So the bakery sold 825 cupcakes in all. So that's how to multiply, children, numbers by a one-digit number. Okay, the last lesson for chapter 9 is divide numbers up to 100 by one-digit number. I have here a problem and try to figure out or find the answer. Share your answer during our class. How can Ron and IZ put the same number of crayons in each glass? So how they are going to divide it? Count the number of crayons and they have to put it in each glass, and each glass should have the same numbers of crayons. If you know the answer, share that during our class. And if Ron and Izzy divide the crayons above equally in 6 glasses, now we have 6 glasses. How many crayons are left over, or is there any left over? And how many crayons are there in each glass if there are 6 glasses? Okay, children. Now I have a problem here. How many boxes does Eddie need? Eddie packs 84 hand towels in boxes of 6. How many boxes does he need? So 86 divided by 6. 86 is close to 80. 6 is about 5, closer to 5. So 80 divided by 5, that is 16. So our answer, if we divide this, is closer to 16. Let's try. When we divide the number by one digit, divide the tens, the 80, 8 tenths divided by 6, we can have only 1. And we have 1 times 6, so we have a remainder of 2. The next step is we are going to regroup the tens, then add the ones. So we have 2 tens here. We put the 4 ones here below. We got 20 ones plus 4 ones, so we have 24. 24, we divide by 6 again, we got 4. So 4 times 6 is 24, so there will be no leftover. So our answer is 14. So 86 divided by 6 is 14. So Eddie needs 14 boxes. So 14 is close to 16, so therefore our estimation is reasonable. Okay, another. Packing cookies. I have here a problem. Leah wants to put 77 cookies equally into 4 jars. How many cookies are there in each jar? And how many are the leftover? You can calculate also or estimate the answer. So let's divide. Let's divide 7 tenths by 4. We got 1 and we have a leftover of 3 tenths, right? Here. Next, let's regroup. Let's add the 3 tenths by the 7 ones. 3 tenths is 30 ones plus 7 ones is 37 ones. Divided by 4, we got 9. 9 times 4 is 36 and we have a remainder of 1. Therefore, 77 divided by 4 is 19. Remainder 1. So there are 19 cookies in each jar and there is a 1 cookie left over. So children, this is how to divide numbers by a 1-digit number. I will discuss more about this kind of lesson during our class. Okay, so that's all about lesson 4, 5, and 6 for chapter 9, multiplication and division. I will discuss more about this lesson, children, during our class. And thank you for watching, and I hope that you learned a lot in this video. Always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everyone and enjoy the rest of the day.